It was the middle of the night. I was sleeping in my bed when suddenly I heard a funny noise. It sounded like someone talking. I got out of bed and turned on the light. No one was there. Confused, I turned off the light and went back to bed. Then I heard the voice again. This time, I lay still and listened closely. "I'm the best," it said. Then another voice appeared. "No, I'm the best." The voices sounded like they were coming from right beside my head. "Hello," I called out. "Who's talking?" "Sorry to wake you," the voice said. "We were just discussing which of us is the best body part." "The best body part?" I asked, confused. "Yes," said the voice. "I'm your ear, and I think I'm the best. Your eyes disagree. They think they're the best. Maybe you could decide which body part is the best." I thought it was weird that my body parts were talking to me, but I decided to help them out. "Okay," I said. "Each body part has to tell me why it is the best, and then I will decide." "Great," said my ear. "I'll go first." I'm your ear. There are two of me. We're the best because we help you hear. You can listen to music. You can hear people talk to you. You can even hear people tell you they love you. No one can top that. We can top that, my eyes chimed in. We help you see. You can watch TV. You can look at beautiful artwork. You can see the people and places around you. Without us, it would be difficult to see where you are and where you are going.
Don't forget about me.
Grunted my nose.
I help you smell. You can smell delicious cookies as they bake in the oven. You can smell pretty flowers in the spring.
But nose, not all smells are good, though, said my mouth. So you cannot be the best nose. I am the best. I am your mouth. I help you do a lot of things. I help you talk. I help you eat. I am most important. Then my hands spoke up. Without us, you could not get food to your mouth. You could not toss a ball. You could not pick up a book. We are very important. Not as important as us, cried my feet. We help you walk, run, jump, and get wherever you need to go. We are very important. Stop! I shouted. There is no way I can possibly decide which body part is the best. You are all very important. I need my ears to hear, my eyes to see, my nose to smell, my mouth to talk and eat, my hands to pick things up, and my feet to get where I need to go. But surely one of us is more important than the other, said my mouth. No, I said. You are all part of the same team. You each have an important part to play to help keep my busy body working. It is time to stop arguing and start working together. After a few moments, my body parts stopped their grumbling. She's right, said my ears. There is no I in team. Let's work together to make her the best girl she can be. Go Team Busybody! This was a presentation by iStorybooks Academy. Become a fan at facebook.com/iStorybooks.